Hey everyone, in today's recipe we have a super delicious, refreshing drink that is perfect for those hot summer days and so easy to prepare. The blend of fruits and vegetables is packed with flavors and benefits so you can go ahead, enjoy it and drift away with no guilt while being nice to your body. I am going to show you the ingredients and you can find them in the description, so let's begin. The tropical sweetness of juicy pineapple, the crisp coolness of refreshing cucumbers, and the subtle earthy notes of celery all balance out with a zing of tangy lemon. I invite you to try it. Thank you for tuning into this episode. I appreciate your time and support. If you enjoy this video, please comment and subscribe so you don't miss a single recipe, and we'll see you in the next one.